Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Snipping tool notifications not working in Windows 11. Once you press Windows Shift S, so as we can see we have a screenshot but without notifications. So to fix this issue, click on Start Settings. Here click on System, then click on Notifications. Make sure this option is on, Notifications, and make sure Focus Assist and Do Not Disturb is turned off. Still you are facing problem, so try another method. Click on Start Settings, Apps. Now here click on Default Apps. Now here click on Apps and Features. Now in this list you have to find out Snipping tool. Click on this three dot, Advanced Options. Now here firstly try Repair. After repair still you are facing problem, so reset. And final method is uninstall and reinstall from Microsoft Store. So hopefully guys, using this simple method we can fix and resolve Snipping tool notifications not working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.